Right, mrezimbabwe paita nyaya panapa iri kupisa iyi nyaya yeku AMH Alpha Media Holdings. Pari kunzi zvone vakomana vakasanganisa majournalist avo $50. Iri kunzi mari yacho ndeye kunzi panguva ine Xmas vanhu vari kunzi vakangopiwa ma50 chete kuti amen unongetoa medzi dzako. Iri kunzi mari yacho ndeye salaries dzema2026. Idini nyaya yepandaenzwa, honestly speaking ndanga nditori disappointed zvekutodaro. Ende last time arunza wanga kapowa mari dzacho mazigzig. Andisi kuziva kuti why is it? I mean pamwe is because mari hadzichatenderere or is because of nyaya dzimwe dziri kuitika dzekuti anzi foreign aid yaitwa newa Trump yaitwa yekuti kwaipiwa mari dzaingouya kuAfrica dziya. Maybe they were part of it. Pamwe zvakavhariswa and I don't know kuti because I mean last time vakabva futi vaida host imwe show yavaida kuita gig, you know these guys vanga kutrya kuventure into something new zvakaflopa futi ufuchi pane patonyura mari up to kuma 25,000 ikoko inenge yatonyura pamwe ndo pamari yacho yaida kuspin kuti pazopaunganidzwa masalary here kana kuti pange pachifamba sei. Handisida kunyanya kupedza nguva nchitaura panapa doti muzvinzwire mega nyaya yacho imimi because makainzwa muri imi chinyatsotaurika mataurikiro chaiwo mabudira yaita mapurwa endaiita inini munokwanisa kuti ase kubatsirikana. So doti munyatsoteereresa, take your time. Hapana kukumbanyira nasi titese panapa.
AMH journalists receive $50 amid salary uncertainty days before Christmas. Journalists employed by Alpha Media Holdings AMH, owned by media entrepreneur Trevor Cube, were today paid $50 each in what management reportedly described as part of their January 2025 salaries. However, the payment has sparked confusion and concern within the newsroom, as workers say it does not constitute a December salary and comes at a time when no wages for 2025 have been fully paid. Staff members were last paid their December 2024 salaries in local currency, ZiG, only last month, leaving them without any substantive remuneration for the new year so far. The timing of the payment has intensified frustration among employees, coming less than 24 hours before Christmas, fewer than 7 days before the end of the year, and just days before monthly financial obligations such as rent and mortgage payments fall due. The pressure is further compounded by the looming opening of schools in just over 3 weeks, a period that traditionally places heavy financial strain on families. For a media house whose leadership has consistently positioned itself as a champion of ethical journalism, transparency, and workers' rights, the situation has been described by insiders as deeply disappointing. Alpha Media Holdings publishes several of Zimbabwe's prominent news titles, including Newsday Zimbabwe, the Zimbabwe Independent, the Standard, Southern Eye, and Heart and Soul ZM. Together, these platforms play a significant role in shaping public discourse, making the welfare of their journalists a matter of public interest. As the festive season arrives, uncertainty continues to hang over AMH newsrooms, with journalists still waiting for clarity on when full salaries for 2025 will be paid.